Hello, Ashwini. Thank you for joining us today during Breastfeeding Week. Let's start with your incredible journey. My first question to you is, how long did you breastfeed your child?
Hi, thank you for having me. So basically, I breastfed my child for 2 years, and I exclusively breastfed him for the first 6 months, and then later, along with breastfeed, I started weaning foods.
That's wonderful. Now, can you share some benefits of breastfeeding for the baby?
There are numerous benefits. First of all, it builds up the immune system, okay, and reduces the chances of infection and diseases. Breast milk has a perfect combination of fat, sugar, water, proteins, and vitamins, okay, because of which it helps to build a very strong immunity. It also promotes a healthy weight gain in the child, and it avoids having a later stage childhood obesity. Okay, secondly, it also lowers the risk of diarrhea, any respiratory related infections, ear infections, and many other things. Again, it also reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, leukemia, celiac disease, or irritable bowel disease in the later stage of the life.
Now, those benefits are really incredible. But how about the benefits for the mothers?
Yeah, along with the child, yes, I can say that the mother also has a lot of benefits. So the first is it lowers the risk of cancer, like the breast cancer, ovarian cancer. Secondly, it helps to contract the uterus, okay, and come back to the normal stage, and also reduces the postpartum bleeding. Okay, then secondly, breastfeeding also burns a lot of calories. Okay, so whatever weight gain you have done in that particular year, in that particular months, that reduces. Okay, and secondly, it also reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, osteoporosis, cardiovascular diseases, high blood pressure, and also high cholesterol. Secondly, there is a lot of emotional bonding between the child and the mother. Okay, so that is how your child becomes close to you, because of skin to skin contact. So again, that is a benefit. Then again, breastfeeding is convenient and also cost effective.
So, now we've learned about the benefits for both the mother and the child. But breastfeeding can sometimes be challenging. What advice do you have for mothers who are facing difficulties in breastfeeding?
See, initially, even I faced a lot of difficulty in breastfeeding. For the first 15 days, for me and for my child, it was a little difficult because it was new for me as well as the child. Yeah, so it was difficult how to hold the child and, the position of it. But then later, as I was able to breastfeed him well and he was able to accept the feeds. So then, yeah, it was convenient. But then earlier it was not, because there were a lot of challenges faced. I feel that somebody who is not able to breastfeed because of some medical conditions, or if somebody is on some particular medicines, so I feel that is okay. You can always speak to the lactation expert or to your pediatrician to help you. There are some formulations, there are formula feeds which are similar to the breast milk, which can again help your child to get those benefits.
Thank you, Ashwini, for sharing your insights. Your journey and advice are truly inspiring. To our viewers, this is the end of part 1 of this series for Breastfeeding Week. In part 2, we'll be discussing nutrition tips for breastfeeding moms.